You might hear that people are doing affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. People are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single day with the help of YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna be showing you how exactly you can do this method, and how you can make a good amount of money with YouTube Shorts. And in order to do this, you don't have to have any subscribers to your channel. You can literally start with zero amount of subscribers at the beginning. I will show you one of my Shorts channels, and I will tell you how I gained thousands of subscribers in less period. And before that, if you want to learn different make money online tips and tricks, then hit the subscribe button down below, and let's see how to do this income stream with YouTube Shorts. And to do that, you want to pick a category first, and from that category you'll pick products. And to find different affiliate products, you can use the Digistore24 affiliate website, and if you don't have an account on this network, then just click this Start Now button, and create your free account. And after logging into your account, your focus is to pick a specific category from here. If you pick the animals and pets category, then you have to upload different animals, dogs, cats, and funny compilation videos to your short channel. Or if you pick the business and investment category, then you can upload luxurious lifestyle videos. If you pick fitness and health category, then you can upload fitness videos. Let's say you've picked the animals and pets category, and in that category you can see you have these products to promote. So the first product name is How to Train Your Puppy, and the second product is Training Your Cat. So who has dogs and cats in their house, and if they see this How to Train Your Puppy, or Train Your Cat, then they will be highly interested to learn these stuff. And you know maximum people have dogs and cats in their house. So once you decide which product you want to promote, then you'll click this button Promote Now, and this link is your affiliate link. So if you click on top of this link, then the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now this link is a long tracking URL including your username, so you don't want to promote this long link. Doesn't matter where you're going to promote it, that will look spammy and unprofessional. So you want to come to this website called Cutly. Using this website you can make your affiliate link shorter, and if you want to keep your shortened link saved for future use, then first you want to create a free account on this website. And once you logged into your account, then this is how you'll see the dashboard, and here you can see it says paste long URL and shorten it, and this is where you'll paste your affiliate link, and then you'll click here shorten. And as you can see the link is now became shorter. And this link you'll now promote, so make sure you take a copy of this link. And now the next step you want to promote this link with YouTube Shorts. But the question is, how you can promote this link with YouTube Shorts, and how you can send traffic to your affiliate product. And you can do that guys simply through the YouTube Community tab. You can announce anything here. Let's say you've opened a Shorts channel in the animals and pets category, and if you share your affiliate product here, then there will be a high chance that people will buy that product, cause all of your viewers and subscribers love dogs and cats, and they definitely have dogs and cats in their house. But at the beginning you won't see this community tab. In order to get access to this community tab, you have to have 500 subscribers to your channel, and then you can get the advantage of this community tab. But if you are just going to start a brand new Shorts channel, then obviously you'll have 0 subscribers in your channel. But we want to get this community tab as fast as possible, so how can we get that? Now don't worry, as I told you that I'll show you one of my Shorts channels, and how I gained thousands of subscribers in less period. Yes, here is it. I started this channel a month ago, and you can see currently this channel has over 15,000 subscribers guys. Now you might be thinking where are the videos? For this tutorial purpose I just removed all the different videos from this channel. So what basically I've done to achieve over 15,000 subscribers in less period. Mostly I grabbed videos from TikTok, then I start uploading a minimum of 5 videos, and a maximum of 10 videos each day. And within 10 days I start getting results. And this is what you actually want to do. At first you want to grab videos from TikTok. Let's say you want to download this video, so you'll hover over to this share icon, then you'll click copy link. And after that you want to come to this Save Tick website, and here you want to paste the link. Then you'll click download, and then you'll click here download video, and as you can see the video has started downloading. And once it completes downloading, then you want to re-upload it on your channel, and make sure you give a credit to the video owner in the description. You can say video created by, then the name of the creator. And another thing I want to clear to you is that, by re-uploading TikTok videos, your channel won't get monetized, but you can build a community that you can use for affiliate marketing. And this can be a long-term system to make money with affiliate marketing. And don't skip these videos. Go ahead and check these different money-making strategies as well. And if you want to see more make money online videos on this channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in a different video.